Hello friends, day 96, and I've had a fabulous day today. Lots of things, lots of beautiful views, and I've also come past the bothy, which I've videoed for you, a youth hostel and a railway station up here in the middle of nowhere. I think probably the most remote railway station in the whole of Britain. I also met several people this afternoon, including Andrew and Anne, his wife, and Andrew very kindly gave me a bar of chocolate, which I had with my dinner tonight. I found a pitch, but it's not really the best pitch. It's more tufty than a road safety squirrel. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you're not old enough. It's been very windy today and still is. That is good in one way because it means that there won't be any midges around, but it's possibly a little bit too windy. I've seen lots of footprints today that I can't identify. I wondered whether they might be wild boar. Apparently there are about 1,000 wild boar roaming around in the Scottish Highlands. I don't think they are, but you never know. I put a bit of video in of them as well. So let's have a look at where I've been and see you on the trail. Look at this for a room with a view. The beautiful open landscapes that only the Scottish Highlands can offer. I think this has to be one of the best, if not the best, room with a view of the whole trip so far.